So I'm going to do a very quick video on surface area of a rectangular prism. And as you can see, I have a box here. And if I want to find the surface area, I have to find the area of the front of the box and the back of the box, which if you look at this, you can see that the base of the box is going to be, the length of the box is going to be 10. So I'm going to say my length equals 10 inches. The width of the box, how wide the box is 6 inches. And then the height of the box is 3 inches. Now, it's important to know that there's 6 sides of a box. You have the front and the back. You have the side and the other side. And then you have the top and you have the bottom. Now, I wrote a formula here. It says surface area equals 2 times L times H plus LW plus WH. And I'm going to explain why this works. I just said that you have the front and back of the box. That would be, here's the front of the box. And then the back of the box is here. Well, that is going to be the length times the height. So I'm going to say 10 times 6, because that gives me the area of the front of the box. Now, like I said, that's the front of the box, and the area of the back of the box is going to be the same, which is where this 2 comes in. Plus, let's see if I can get rid of some of this. I'm going to lose some of my three-dimensional drawing doing it. Now, if I look at the length and the width, I'll try to do this in a different color. If I look at the length and the width, oh yes, that will give me the bottom of the box and the top of the box, the length and the width. Well, my length is 10 and my width is 6. So that's 10 times 6. Now, 10 times 6 gives me the bottom, but when I multiply by 2, that will give me the bottom and the top. So once again, oops, let me get rid of that. Once again, I'm going to erase some of this. And now I have one last set of dimensions I have to worry about. And then I have the width and the height, and that gives me the side. Well, remember, boxes have 2 sides. Rectangular prisms have 2 sides. So there's one side, and here's the other side. And the width times the height is going to be 6 times 3. So the reason why I did 2 is because that 2 takes into account the front and back. Uh-oh, I have a mistake here. The top and bottom. The top should be 10 by 6. The front should be 10 by 3. Oh my goodness me, I have a mistake. Excuse me. 10 by 3. And then the last should be the sides. So this was, let's see, 10 by 3. So this was front and back. This was top and bottom. And this was the 2 sides, side and side. So now when I do this, I get equals 2 times, that's going to be 10 times 3 is 30, plus 10 times 6 is 60, plus 6 times 3 is 18. So 30 and 60 is 90, plus 18 is 108. And so I get 2 times 108, which is 216 square inches. And that's it. Like I said, I would figure this out. And then there's only 3 ways you can write different combinations: a length and a height, a length and a width, and a width and a height. You should have 3 different things unless 2 of the dimensions are the same. That's it. Hope you enjoyed.